I stand outside my house. The door is closed.
I try the door slowly. It does not open.
I check my pockets slowly. I have no keys. Snow is falling softly. I feel very cold now. I knock on the door. I knock again slowly.
Hello, is anyone inside? I wait quietly now.
The house is very quiet. No one answers me. I remember something now. I forgot my keys inside. I feel very worried now. I do not know what to do.
I look at the street. It is empty and quiet.
I rub my hands slowly. My hands feel very cold.
I walk a little slowly. I try to stay warm.
The wind feels very cold. I close my eyes slowly.
I feel alone here. I feel very alone.
I try the door again. Maybe it will open now.
It still does not open. I feel a little sad. I take a deep breath. I try to stay calm. I take a deep breath. I try to stay calm.
I look at the sky again. The snow is still falling. I hear a small sound. I look around slowly.
I walk to the gate slowly. I look at the road again.
The road is still empty. I feel a little sad again. I sit down for a moment. It is very cold here. Sitting is too cold. I must keep moving. I jump a little. I try to stay warm. I look far away again. Maybe someone is coming. I think I see someone. Yes, someone is there. Someone is walking there.
I feel a little happy.
I wave my hand slowly. Hello, please help me. The person looks at me. The person is coming closer. I feel safe now. I am not alone anymore. I speak slowly. My door is locked. My keys are inside. I cannot go inside. I was so worried. Thank you for understanding. We reach the back door. I try it slowly. I walk inside slowly. The air feels warm now. I turn back slowly. Thank you so much. I feel very happy. I close the door slowly. I feel safe now. I walk into the room. It feels warm and nice. I sit on the sofa. I feel relaxed now. Today was a long day, but I am safe now. I stand up slowly. I feel strong again.
I take a deep breath. I feel safe at home. I walk to the kitchen. I want something warm.
I make warm tea. The tea smells nice. I take a small sip. It feels very warm. I feel much better now. My body is warm again. I look outside again. The snow looks beautiful. Today was difficult,
but I learned something. Always carry your keys. Small things are important. I feel safe now. I feel happy inside. I think about today. It was a strange day. I learned something important. I will remember this. Tomorrow will be better. I feel ready now.
I take one last deep breath. Everything is okay now. Hey guys, if you enjoyed this story, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. It really means a lot.